Yan o. Oh, nag-iis mo nga. Malakas lang palakas ah. Juwie, lumalakas.
Malakas nga eh.
Kainin mo na.
Hey, tatawagan sana kita ha. Tinawagan dito ka nabili yung flight namin. Hoy, saan ko tatawagan sana kita? Tinawagan ko na din kahit ito ako tatawagan.
Tingin dito.
Ang excited ako yung first no. Sana dito na no dito. Nag-swipe pa kami. Oo, nakikita. Talaga. Ha? After this chat? Oh, kaya wala. Uy, nakabiglang one din. Bigla lang na. No, this one. Delayed ang flight namin. Kaya nandito pa kami sa Detroit. Ah. Hindi. Kanina ulan na ito. Pero bigla ito. Marami sa tubig. Kaya na, nag-snow.
No, they haven't. We were on our way to New York, hoping
Is it
gonna
time to
snow over
leave?
there.
Is it time to leave?
No, not yet. Stay over there so I can take a video of you. They're so happy. In Jacksonville. But we're originally from the Philippines. So, but they were all born in Jacksonville, but they haven't seen snow.
I did. I did, but I didn't really.
No, you haven't.
It's like.
There's your first snow, Daddy. Oh. Si Juby tuwang-tuwa eh, naka-video ka ko kaagad.
Let's go to Rico. You want to go to you don't want to go outside and feel the snow?
What?
We'll go to the hotel right there.
What?
Yan ang flurries.
Hindi pa naiipon dahil
Hindi pa.
totoo na.
Yeah.
Manipis lang yan eh.
Manipis yan eh. Natutunaw yan pag reach ng ground.
Maganda.
Sayang yung camera mo, Leon. Documented ang excitement ni Juby.
What if there was?
Ano?
What if?
May imputan na
Wala eh, dalawa lang eh.
Ano ba? Saan ba?
Video mo lang ito.
Tag.
Hold on.
Tag. Tag.
Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Oliver, where's the snow?
Right there. Do it on top. Do it on top.
I know.
On top.
Yeah.
Ang dami dyan.
Let me see. Let me see. Look, Paulo. The airplane is starting to get a little bit frozen. The airplane is starting to get a little bit frozen. Oh, see it?
An hour. An hour and a
1
half.
hour. See? Is it 1 hour and a half? That's an hour. 1 and a half.
Sino yung video mo dati?
Oliver.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
No, you
Here,
cannot.
you can
You
see.
stay with Oliver
Yeah.
so you can see the
See, where's the snow? Where's the snow?
Right there. Slide right there. Slide right there. Dad, look, it looks like somebody's shooting it out.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
It's like it's shooting it out.
Yeah, right there.
Wait, put it at me. Put it at me.
Oh, hold on, stop doing that.
Hayaan mo yung ano.
Well, if there was grass.
You want to the Philippines?
Go look at the ano, anak ko.
Yeah. Ano natin ah? Pare.
Yeah.
Makakagigil eh.
I'd like to squish you. Is it okay to squish you? Yeah. At least hindi siya ano.
Eh,
Mabait siya.
Hindi siya.
Big boy, drink your milk.
Lagi nakangiti.
Lo.
Jotia.
Hello, drink your milk now. Go, go, go.
Ano ni Ese?
Parang sila.
Hello.
Sabi nga sa school, pag nakita kami, the smiley family.
I thought we were the fat family.
Siya, sabi niya, why are we a fat family?
Don't eat rice. Are you eating rice?
Oh,
Making a
Oh,
rice.
don't eat rice. Kasi yung asawa daw ni Angie, payat na sabi niya.
Ah, payat na?
Oo, kasi
Ah.
gawa daw na hindi nakain ng rice. At bata pa.
Yeah.
At bata
Drink your
pa.
milk, Polo. One, eat now. Eat.
Kasi
Okay,
yung
yeah.
mga, ewan ko, bakit dyan sa...
Eh, kasi wala sa building eh.
Sa building.
Yung walin-
Pag nasa baba ka, yung nasa
masyadong
in between.
ano.
Oh, are we waiting?
Hello, Oliver. Wala kang ginawa kundi
Toss, Nick, toss. Die.
magbiyaga. Ayan. There's the neighborhood.
Ang nagsasayaw niyan, yung mascot ng Jollibee.
Interstate 80 going to
Lagi sa TV.
Poconos. Here's the pilot, here's the navigator,
In the stewardess.
and the stewardess right here.
Flight attendant.
And then the passengers right there.
Flight attendant no, massage attendant.
Ay naku, wala naman baterya. Ano ba yan, Gonzales?
Hindi na recharge.
Are we going to New York?
No, we're going to Poconos, Pennsylvania.
May pool. Tubig, galing sa taas.
Ano yan, natural?
Oh, hi naman dyan, Ju.
Hello!
The guys are sleeping.
Yun, no? Wait lang po.
Tulo na laway.
Uy, babayad ng toll.
Abi,
Magkano?
Benching. Ano na, ihahagis lang. Ano na sa toll bag, ihahagis mo lang eh.
Hindi ko na-catch.
Hindi naman ito dito.
Delaware, Delwater Gap, Delaware. Alam, baterya eh.
Ayan, ito na yung, itong river na to, all the way yan.
Ay.
Falls pala to, no?
Uy, ang galing ng falls.
Hindi. Ito ng pagtagas yan, pag nag-snow. Hindi naman.
Eh, nag-yellow siya.
Pag yung gusto, hindi, pero hindi. Pag yung flowing, hindi.
Hindi, kasi na may energy. Merong kinetic energy eh. Dapat
Ito na ang dulo ng New Jersey.
so another state na yan.
Another state na.
So, Pennsylvania or Delaware?
Delaware.
Eh, ang ano is, Delaware River yan eh.
Delaware River.
Ay! Puta ka!
Nagtitilim po na eh.
Telepono! Hey, say hi! Hi, anak!
Hello.
Are you enjoying? Hindi naman kita nakikita.
Hindi naman
Masyadong
pag
close,
blizzard yun. Kasi pag blizzard, ang snow, yung alam mo yung snow, aabot dyan sa boundary ng ano na yan.
Saan?
Ayan, no?
Oh, welcome to Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania welcomes you. Oh, we're in Pennsylvania.
Alam mo yung Edward Rendell na yan? Yan ang dating mayor ng Philadelphia. Si Rendell. Siya pala ang
Nasa ibang
gobernador
state
dito.
na naman tayo.
Ski, oh. Ski
Yeah,
resort.
mag-i-snow na. Padami yung bumabagsak.
Oo.
Padami na yung bumabagsak. Welcome mga taga Florida.
Lakadan ba kay Puan?
May extra akong sombrero kanina eh.
Bibili ako doon. Cool naman yung pumunta namin.
Pero
Ito eh, mas mataas tayo eh.
mas mataas to.
Ano ba?
Okay, where's the snowflakes?
Abanti na. Ano ba yung Connorsville.
Not now, it's just starting. Yan, ang mga snowflakes.
Wala na ulit eh.
Pinapa-excite
Yeah.
lang. Pinapa-excite tayo.
Yan, area na yan. Nandito tayo sa exit na ito eh.
Do you wanna see snow?
Yan, dito tayo eh.
I wanna feel snow.
Yan, 299.
I
Yan, nandito tayo.
see myself. Mommy.
Yes, anak.
Does in winter, in December, does in New York, does the snow cover the grass?
Yes.
Yan, 715 yan. Yan. Saan tayo dito? Saan ang south? Oh, north dito. Di ba?
Nico, let me see your face, anak.
It's a nice Christmas today, huh?
Yay! Nice. Ooh, cold.
No.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, everybody. Where are you now? You tell the camera.
In our van.
And we are in Pocono, Pennsylvania.
We're in New York.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
Look at the snow. Look at the snow.
Look at the snow, everybody. Well, you can't really see it
We're
right
here to seek snow and we got the snow.
Not so much though.
This is the crossing in Poconos. Yan, Poconos, ang lamig. That's the Pocono Mountain, yeah. Baby Toy Express. It's cold. See the snow coming on. See? There you go. See? Polo, move over there so I can take a picture of you. Yeah. Is it snowing? Huh?
This ice snow.
Oh, let's take a picture, mommy. So the two of you, come on.
See that? Snowing.
Picture, mommy. Hey, look.
Malamig.
Oh, picture.
There. Grab the snow.
It's cold. Asan naman si Joby?
Namimiss nga nila yung snow.
May miss ka. Hindi naman titigil din.
Stop, stop.
Tama na yun, no?
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Big hot dog right there. Paula, what are you eating? Oliver, man, you good at eating chicken wings, Oliver. Huh? Cold.
After this, we're gonna go to one store upstairs and we're gonna go. Okay, this is
Dito ka nakatira?
Hindi, ayan, ito.
Ito?
Yan o, yan.
Yung bintana na yun.
Doon ang kwarto ko.
Diyan mo inaharana ito.
Yan yung bintana na yun, oh,
Yeah.
right there.
Yan. Diyan ako nakatira. That's my room. Ate ko.
Ay, ate na to ni ano?
Yan ang tinirhan ko. There's my room right there in the attic there. Oh, there's my Capo de Monte. There's their,
My Porsche right there.
there's my Porsche.
Nurse din ito.
Si Auntie Fizz.
Yung bumili sa...
Bahay niya. Doon ako
Bumili sa
nakatira.
Orlando?
Bahay din niya to.
Ha?
Malapit na tayo.
It's New York.
There's New York. Papunta na tayo ng tunnel. There's Empire State Building right there. Larang Empire State. There's Empire State. Right there.
Magandang picture na New York. Sa dagat ka doon. Barko.
Yun nga sa Liberty State Park mamaya dapat eh. Lincoln Tunnel.
May mall o. Brick mall.
Lincoln Tunnel. We're going.
Yan o din dito. outlet.
Watch the tunnel, okay?
Nakita ko din si Cory Aquino eh.
Oh.
I haven't seen the tunnel yet. Not yet.
Hindi ka ba kasama si Cory? Si Cory Aquino?
Sino na naman ang kasama mo?
Ha?
Nag-imagine ka na naman.
Ay, si Ben Cao?
Ma-imagine ka may kasama ka. Wala ka naging girlfriend dito kundi ako.
Joseph Garden and
Buti nga naging girlfriend mo pa ako.
yeah.
That's Jersey City right
Oh
there.
man.
Come, Oliver.
Man, you can shoot the ball.
I can't.
Oliver.
It's my jacket.
Where's Paulo? Paulo, where are you?
It's the jacket.
Oh, he's getting a jacket?
No, it's my jacket.
Oh, your jacket. What happened to your jacket? Let's go take a picture here first. See that? Yeah, that's where the court is, right? Oh, it's over here.
You took it, remember?
See, it used to be me, Tito Clark, Tito Jeffrey, and Nestor's the one to play over here. Now it's... Alin? Sige, dito ka. Dali. Oh, dito lang, dito sa ibabaw dito, oh. Dito kayo kanya kami. Dito na lang, oh. Dito lang, oh. Kayo kumuha. Kayo kumuha. Ayan.
Pindutin lang.
Oh, yan, pindutin nyo lang yung malaki.
Yung item bibet?
Yan.
May cheese.
Oh, pare kayo, sino mo kaya? Eh, sino mo kayo, pare kayo? Pare.
Isang dive dito.
Say cheese. Frozen. Say cheese.
Okay, ready?
Ready, smile.
Cheese.
Ako
Okay.
naman, ako kukuha. Nakukuha ka na yung aking camera.
Ayun pala, may video ko eh.
Ano? Hindi. Ano?
Kunan ko kayo nito.
Sige, hindi. Ako na kukuha. Go.
Gano'n.
Yan.
Kukuha ko tatlo yung dala mo. Paano mo kukuha?
Oliver, you okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go walk over here.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yung parang- Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Big boy. Over here, the shop. That's nice.
Casino, what are you doing?
Look at that high roller.
Exactly.
Who's a high roller?
We got Jeopardy.
Yeah, look at that. Everything there.
Raman? Raman.
Biggest night tonight. Hindi dyan sa loob. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Look at that. Wait. Let's go take pictures first. Hold on. We have to take some pictures. Let's...
Oliver. Why?
Gladiator. Oh, let's go take pictures over there. Wait, Nee, sandali. Pictures over there. Lay, walk on through there. Right here. Nice. Look at that. Oh, let's go take a picture of the Christmas tree. Let's go over there. That's nice. Oh, let's go take pictures. Come on. Let's go. Oh, picture tayo ni. Tatlo. There you go.
Let's play some casino games. Like the kid games.
Let's go over there. Come on.
But the casino's down the street. Can we go down?
Ipapapicture ka. Di halaki lang yung ano. Hindi mo makukuha yung buo pagka ano ko naman.
Naman hindi. Yan, nasa right
Nakakaano pag ayaw, ano?
Nag-vlog ka dyan.
Sa'yo mo ng Garfunkel.
Saan?
Friday, November 26, 28. Last Friday. Sa'yo mo ng Garfunkel. Garfunkel.
Wild West.
Ano ba sa tingin? Polly. This is the Taj Mahal Resort, ano, casino. Yan ang Atlantic City. The King, Elvis.
Ai, zero que vai.
I'm not
Tama ba yun, Daddy? Yung sa mga tindahan?
Ni, libre ka na pala eh. Plus 50.
Offer.
That's Mulangot ka pa. Good boy. Masyado ka serious. Smile. Oliver.
Hi.
Where's Jimmy?
Wala nang
How about me?
wrinkle talagang kamay ko.
Take down.
Stay close, lady.
I'm gonna be right there.
Magkano ang bata?
Hindi ko alam.
Look at that.
Dali, binibidyo ko naman eh.
Sabi ang video mo, hindi yung chandelier.
Eh, alam ba tinitignan mo dyan? Di ba yung chandelier? O di para sa video makita mo yung chandelier. Ay, sige na kayo. Sige, sige.
Nice to meet you. There's definitely a her hairdress. Have sparkle glitter all over me. Anyway, thanks to all of you for coming in.
Daddy, video mo kami.
I'll be back in a moment.
Yan siya. Yan siya. Kumuha.
Yun si Rocker.
Hindi, yan o. Mga picture namin.
Ayan.
Bye-bye.
Diba, yan, yan. Ito, ito, ito. Pareho lang kami nagpo-focus, nag-focus din siya.
It's almost done, I think. It's